If you don't want to watch the video, you have a list with the cars and links to them. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about some awesome old school cars that you can get for a steal of a price. These cars are packed with horsepower, style and cool facts that you probably didn't know about. So let's jump right in. First up we have the Mazda Miata NB. This little car is perfect for those who love to drive fast and take tight turns. It's lightweight, coming in at around 2,300 pounds, and has a 1.8 liter engine that produces 142 horsepower. Did you know that the Miata has won more races than any other car in history? That's pretty impressive if you ask me. Next we have the Honda Civic. This car is known for its reliability and it's not uncommon to see one with over 200,000 miles on it. It's not the most powerful car on this list with only 106 horsepower, but it makes up for it with its fuel efficiency and durability. Plus, who doesn't love the look of a classic Civic? Moving on, we have the Mazda RX-8. This car is a bit more unique than the others on this list thanks to its rotary engine. It has a little more power with 238 horsepower, but it's also heavier, weighing in at around 3,000 pounds. Fun fact, the RX-8 was the last car to use a rotary engine, which was also used in the iconic Mazda RX-7. Now, let's talk about Subaru Impreza. This car is known for its all-wheel drive system, which makes it perfect for any weather condition. It has around 165 horsepower and it weighs in around 2,800 pounds. The Impreza is also known for its rally car heritage, and it has won many races and championships throughout its history. Moving on, we have Toyota Celica 6th generation. This car is another classic, and it's known for its sporty look and reliable engine. It has around 130 horsepower and weighs in at around 2,900 pounds. Did you know that Celica was featured in the video game series Gran Turismo? That's how you know it's a cool car. Next up we have Toyota Celica 7th generation. This car is a bit more modern than the 6th generation and it has a sleeker look. It has around 180 horsepower and it weighs in at around 2,800 pounds. It's not the fastest car on this list, but it's still a great car for anyone who wants a reliable and stylish ride. Moving on, we have the Honda Prelude. This car is not a classic and it's known for its sporty look and great handling. It has around 200 horsepower and it weighs in at around 3,000 pounds. Did you know that the Prelude was the first Honda car to have four-wheel steering? That's pretty impressive. Next we have the Mazda 3. This car is a bit more modern than some of the others on this list and is known for its great fuel efficiency and sleek look. It has around 155 horsepower and it weighs in around 2,900 pounds. It's a great car for anyone who wants a reliable and efficient ride. And finally we have the Mazda 6. This car is another modern option and it's known for its great handling and sporty look. It has around 170 horsepower and it weighs in around 3,000 pounds. Did you know that the Mazda 6 has won multiple awards, including Car and Driver's 10 Best list? That's pretty dope. All of those cars have a starting price of around $2,000 and up, but I think all of them are a great choice. I will leave you a list with all the cars on sale so you can take a look. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Peace out.